So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of the Lloyd Inverter AC remote in great detail and in simple words, so let's start the video. You can see the power button in the remote. With this, you can turn the AC on and off. After that, the next button is the temperature up down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the more the temperature will go down. The more you lower the temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the more the temperature will increase and the AC will reduce cooling. Its highest temperature is 30 degrees. If you just want cooling and want to reduce the electricity bill, then you should use it at 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel that 26 degrees is too cold, then set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees. And if you are feeling hot at 26 degrees, then set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. After that, the next button is turbo. Generally, when we switch on the AC, the compressor starts in 3 minutes, but by pressing the turbo button, the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases significantly. If you are coming to your room from outside and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you need quick cooling, then you can use the turbo button. In this, the room cools down very quickly. The next button is eco. Pressing the eco function automatically sets the fan speed and temperature of the indoor unit to maintain a comfortable level of cooling in the room, using less power than other modes. Using this mode will save your electricity bill. After that, the next button is sleep. By pressing the sleep button, the AC becomes silent and the use of sleep button is very good. For example, suppose you have kept the temperature of your AC at any level, then every 2 hours the temperature will automatically increase by 1 degree and you will not have any problem in sleeping due to excessive cold. After that, the next button is mode. The mode button has 5 functions. When you press the mode button, you will see the mode. Currently mode is in dry. Currently mode is in fan. Currently mode is in heat. Currently mode is in auto. Currently mode is in cool. Now I will tell you the details of the mode in very simple words. In cool mode, all the buttons of the AC remote will work, and in this mode the AC will cool, and in cool mode the AC will cool as per your requirement. After that, the next mode is dry. You can use dry in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity and sticky heat in the rainy season. So using the AC in dry mode removes that humidity. After that, the next mode is fan mode. AC will not do cooling in fan, only the fan of indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want cooling of AC and you just want to use the fan of AC, then you can use fan mode. The next mode is heat. Note that you can use heat mode only if your AC supports heat mode. If your AC does not support heat mode, you cannot use heat mode. If your AC supports heat mode, you can heat your room by using heat mode in cold weather. After that, if you press the mode button again, the auto mode will come. In auto mode, your AC will work automatically and the AC will work according to its own. The next button is display. Pressing the display button will turn off the display of your AC, but your AC will remain on. You can use this button only to turn off the display light of the AC. After that, the next button is fan. This is for the speed of the fan that blows air from the indoor unit. This works in 4 speeds. Right now the fan speed is in auto. Right now the fan speed is in low. Right now the fan speed is in medium. Right now the fan speed is in high. You can control the fan speed as per your requirement. If you want to chill the room quickly, then set the fan speed to high. The next button is V-swing. This button is for the front swing of the AC. It works in up and down. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button your swing flap will stop there. You can also see the direction in the remote. The next button is H swing. This button is for the swing inside the AC. It works from right to left. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button your swing flap will stop there. The next button is My Mode. My Mode function is not provided in this Lloyd model, so this button is not working properly. The next button is 5-in-1. 5-in-1 convertible AC. This air conditioner can be used in 5 different modes, including free running, 100% power, 75% power, 50% power and 25% power, depending upon the user's cooling requirements and power consumption and needs. The next button is Wi-Fi. If your AC supports Wi-Fi, then you can easily use this function from DigiTab application. If your AC does not support Wi-Fi, then you cannot use this function. The next button is humidity. You can use the humidity function during the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity and sticky heat during the rainy season. So using the AC in the humidity function removes that humidity. The next button is silent. Pressing the silent button reduces the fan speed of the indoor unit to a minimum and your AC will run in a completely silent mode. The next button is lock. If you want to lock the remote, press this button for 5 to 10 seconds and your AC remote will be locked. All the buttons on the remote will be locked. If you want to unlock the remote, press this button again and the remote will be unlocked. The next button is reset. If your remote is not working properly or the buttons are not working properly, then press and hold the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds. Your remote will be reset and the AC remote will start working in a completely new way. The next button is timer on and timer off. The next button is timer on. You can set the time by entering a timer from half an hour to 12 hours in timer on. The advantage of timer on is that if your AC is off, you can turn it on automatically by setting the time in timer on. For example, suppose I want to turn on my AC automatically after 2 hours, then I will press the timer on button and set the temperature up and down for 2 hours. To set it, the timer symbol on the remote will automatically blink and turn off and the timer will be set. The next button is timer off. You can set the time by entering a timer from half an hour to 12 hours. The advantage of timer off is that if your AC is on, you can turn off your AC automatically by setting the time in timer off. For example, suppose I want to turn off my AC automatically after 5 hours, then I will press the timer off button and set the temperature up down for 5 hours. To set it, the timer symbol on the remote will automatically blink and turn off and the timer will be set. I hope you understood the information given by me, so please like my video and subscribe my channel.